Ever wish you could press pause on life's chaos? Dr. Madhu Kalia is here to show how anyone can find calm in just minutes. No experience needed. With 20 years of helping beginners, Dr. Kalia breaks meditation into simple, practical steps that anyone can follow. Let's be honest. When we hear the word meditation, many of us immediately think, I can't sit still, or my mind won't quiet down. But here's the secret. Meditation isn't about stopping your thoughts completely. It's about finding a little space between them. Now try this simple exercise. Sit comfortably, with your eyes open or closed. Begin counting your breaths silently. Inhalate as you count 1, and exhalate as you count 2. When distracting thoughts arise, and they will, gently bring your focus back to counting. That's it. You're meditating. Dr. Kalia recalls her favorite student, a busy mom who struggled for weeks until she discovered that her baby's cries could become her meditation anchor. Her experience shows that any moment can be transformed into a mindful one. Remember, meditation isn't a performance. It's giving yourself permission to simply be, exactly as you are right now. Share your first try in the comments, whether you're proud of your progress or finding it challenging. And join us this week